Hey guys, so we did a bit of a mission today with my Nissan Pathfinder. Changed the roof lining, which I've put off for a long time. So I went to my local little outfit that sells carpets and upholstery, and we bought this generic sort of leather, fat leather if you want, with a bit of a backing, which is, you know, proper upholstery stuff, but probably not as pliable. And look, bought it for $80 for a couple of meters. Still got some left, and it worked out well. Bit of glue, who bought from the local garage. Some CRC adhesive, worked the charm. Quite happy with that. Good result, I think. So we'll take some pictures and post some pictures and put a video up, and I think good result. Still need some finer details and cleaning, but we'll get to that at a later stage.